Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge number 89, and the prompt is crochet, and I'm going to make a card. Don't know what for card, journaling card or just a card, don't know. This is what I found, some examples of crochet things. Nanny's of Granny's squares, crochet needle, crochet book, and I found this old advertisement of a crochet yarn brand, this one, and I like that. So, but it's a bit difficult to make a card with this, so don't know what to do, but I like the picture. She is crocheting, so, and I don't know what kind of card I want to make. Maybe a playing card, alter playing card, to alter a playing card. I don't know, but I will think of something, and well, speed up again and enjoy watching.